I'm Saksham Sharma, founder of CareerKunj and former HR and recruiter of TCS. Friends, this video is in the series of answering the comments of students that we are getting in our videos. So in this video, I will be answering the comments that we have got in the last video on Ignite and Smart Hiring that we uploaded on Saturday. So if you have any more queries, you can let us know in the comment section of this video. We'll make another video to answer them. So let's straight go ahead, move to comments. Is there anything to submit before join letter comes? If you have submitted the BGC, then nothing else is needed. Next, is graduate trainee or smart candidate means BPS? No. Graduate trainee or smart candidate doesn't mean BPS. BPS is altogether a different vertical, and BPS are back-end processes. Then they are completely non-technical work. Graduate trainee or smart candidate is very much technical. Hi, anyone from the HR, Pune, Gitanjali, Kolkata students can comment on that. Next, so I want to read my application form for my interview with my portal. There is edit application form option is enable or disable. What can I do? So if you are not able to edit it, that only happens when your interview is scheduled or at a later stage. So if there are any major changes, you have to write to ilpsupport@tcs.com for fixing it. Next, I got the offer letter on 11 June, but this time not received the joining letter. How many days joining letter will come? It takes some time. So it will take time. Usually it happens in quarter 2, which is July, August, September. So it just started. So wait for it. It can go beyond Q2 also. We can never say, but most likely it happens in July, August, and September. Next, the got TCS offer return 1st June, and I have submitted on my proof for BGC on 16th of June, and till now in TCS Next Step portal it shows pending approval. Will I get rejected or I need to wait as the new policy will affect this? No. What is the new policy? New policy is for this new policy you're talking about. Number one. Number two, your background check will also take time. They have so many students background check to be done. So you don't have to do anything, just wait for your joining. So at the I receive operator 20 days in TCS Smart Hiring back. And how much it will take time, please wait patiently. So I got operator TCS Smart, and I also got the offer from TCS CTS Gen C, but it was an internship. May I join CTS internship until TCS one year come? Is it VBC because CTS also process VGC in TCS doesn't see? If it is an internship, then there is no notice period, right? In internships, you can leave internship when your joining comes for TCS, so that should be fine. Okay, if it is a full-time offer where you are getting a full-time role and your PF account will be created, then it will be a job. In that case, you have to take an exit and then you have to join TCS. Okay, and if CTS is also guaranteeing your job after internship, then you can also think of joining CTS, because in Smart TCS Smart the offer package is low, so maybe you can start with CTS and then after some time join. After 2 years you can join TCS with a higher package. Next, so I got letter from TCS, but I can't accept the offer in IBM portal due to this issue. Will they cancel my offer? I informed HR about the issue. They already raised ticket. The IT team. I need your help. No, so you have already informed the HR team. Just check why you are not able to accept the offer. In iBegin portal. iBegin portal is a different portal. You should, if you are a fresher, then it will be Next Step portal, not iBegin portal. iBegin portal is for the experienced candidate. Okay, so try with a different laptop or different browser, or try from phone. Maybe it will work. Next, sir, in documents uploading it's showing 10 certificate also 10 mark sheet. Similarly, with 13th also would accept mark sheet into the certificate, like for that both or the certificate. Some boards gives both mark sheet and certificates of clearance. So there are some boards which give certificates which are given along with the mark sheet. If you don't have it, mark sheet is only enough. Next, Sir, in present address proof, I am living in my grandparent house. Is there Aadhaar or can be sufficient for the present address proof, or should I upload any other thing? Their Aadhaar is sufficient, and any other document which says that you are the, they are their grandparents. You are their, they are your grandparents. Some document saying that is fine. Next, so I attended TCS Smart and Ignite hiring on 11th April, and then on 14th May, I received a regret message. However, after my status best, less chances because it's already very late. Sir, if our joining goes beyond December, then we will get career gap. Admission will be closed for MCA. If we start MCA distance, then TCS and transfer and please suggest us. You can start your MCA, but TCS will not consider, no problem, but somebody else will consider tomorrow, right? So it is a matter that TCS will not consider, but somebody else tomorrow can consider. Career is a long journey, and you never know when it can help you. And you are assuming that your journey will go beyond December, but it might not go that long always. So it can come before December also. Okay. Anyone who did TCS Ignite interview on 5th July, they will attend TCS Ignite technical job same day or not. Only those students can come in. So as an HR, what do you expect from a BCA fresher for an Ignite interview? See, as an HR, not as an HR, but overall, what panel will expect from you is that you should have good understanding about IT. At least one programming language you should know. You should be good with the fundamentals of OOPS concept, SQL queries, and then if you have made any project, if at all, if not, it is also fine. But if you have made any project, you should be able to explain it. And then the latest technological trends like Gen AI, machine learning, cloud computing, you should know. If this is good, then I think it is perfect for you to clear the Ignite interview. So I've cleared TCS Tech HR manager round for smart hiring, but still not get any mail from TCS, and application status will be displayed. Candidate was what happened, sir. When did how come you know that you have cleared the round, number one? And then when did you give your interview? Okay. Next, you are posting videos on only on TCS Smart Ignite and MBA hiring. You do not post video on TCS NQT. TCS NQT results are not have not come yet. When it will come, I will post. Basically, this videos are in the series of after the interview is done. Sorry, and the offer has been started being coming. So I am posting videos to answer the queries post offer letter. Okay. Next. Sir, I'm a BCS student and I am from Kolkata. I got my part of a letter from TCS. Now my question is, where will my training happen? As my first location is Kolkata, which I gave, so my training will be joining Kolkata. Can't say high chances because Kolkata is a big location, but it can be somewhere else also. So nothing can be said with certainty. And then you can, you know, like. Can check with some seniors that who are from Kolkata whether they have got Kolkata. But I believe you should get Kolkata because that's a big location. But again, in TCS, there is never certainty in terms of joining location. So I cannot say confidently, but good chances. Next, sir, can I talk with you? Yes, you can book a call with me from the link given in the description box. I on top mate. Okay. I think we have covered all the comments. If you have any more queries, let us know in the comment section. We'll make another video to answer them. Till then, thank you so much.